Hi, I'm Janice Holly Booth, founder of the KIT programs. Now, the KIT is an acronym and it stands for Knowledge, Insight, and Tools. Knowledge, through an online assessment that will reveal the assets and deficits of your human resource landscape. The KIT will give you insight into how each of the 4 communication styles thinks and responds, which will change the way you interact with people. And this is where the KIT really stands out, and this is the T portion of the acronym. It stands for tools. Real life, real simple, real sensible communication tools for getting the best out of your employees every time. The other thing that the KIT will help you do, and as a manager, you really need to have this information. You'll understand how each of the 4 styles makes decisions because they are radically different and not always the right approach for the problem at hand. So why does it work? When people feel valued, when they feel like they are contributing, when they feel like they're understood, what happens? Morale goes up. Productivity improves. Bottom line gets healthier. There are a number of KIT options. There's the original Teambuilding KIT that helps teams become better communicators and more productive. There's the Communication KIT for individuals who aren't part of a team and who want to become rock star communicators. There's the Leadership KIT for new leaders or new managers who need to develop a really solid set of skills and need some support along their journey. And there's even an Emergency KIT for when it's all going to hell in a handbasket. There's a KIT for you. Go to the teambuildingkit.com and book a 30-minute discovery call with me, and we'll figure out which KIT is right for you. I'll help you create a high-performing, high-producing, harmonious team that makes you happy to go to work every day. I look forward to hearing from you. Visit me at theteambuildingkit.com.